Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth for puppy. Start by choosing plain, boneless chicken and fresh vegetables for gentle flavor. Boil slowly, skim foam, and simmer until flavors meld without seasoning. Cool fully and strain to remove solids and fat from the top. Store portions in airtight containers and refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze for longer use. Gather skinless, boneless chicken, carrots, celery, and clean water. Chop vegetables roughly so flavors release quickly, and keep chicken pieces manageable for easy handling. Place everything in a large pot, cover with water by about 1 inch, and bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer gently to extract flavor without breaking down proteins into cloudy broth. Simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours to extract flavor without bitterness or cloudiness. Cool the pot enough to strain, then remove solids and pour into a chilled container so fat rises and can be skimmed off. Always serve a small amount first to ensure your puppy tolerates it well, and never replace balanced meals with broth alone unless advised by your veterinarian.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.